so much for tuning in today. If you were on my feed yesterday, you know that I promised you a surprise, and I'm about to deliver. A lot of you have expressed interest in the unboxings that I do, and this is quite possibly the best box I've ever received. So this is the box by Dr. Ava, and what this is not your run-of-the-mill FabFitFun or Ipsy. It's not a box where you're getting a bunch of samples or something where the company just wants to give away some overstock products. This is dermatologist grade skincare, curated by a dermatologist named Dr. Ava. And I'm gonna try and go as quickly as possible, so this is not a 10-minute video, but this book will tell you everything about what you're getting in the box, and not just little blurbs, but details of every single item in here. So I'm gonna go through it really quick. Okay, so the first product, and these are all full-size products, this is $500 worth of beauty products curated by a dermatologist. This is the Arasa EXP30, and this is neuropeptides, wrinkle reducing concentrate. Gorgeous, right? Okay, the next product, I'm just gonna put that aside. The next product is the Jenny Patinkin Derma Cleaning Exfoliate Defuzz Enhanced Product Performance. So if you are familiar with Jenny Patinkin, you know she makes gua sha, she makes jade and rose quartz rollers. These are, you're gonna get 3 derma cleaning tools in here. And if you're unfamiliar with derma cleaning, it's basically a really sweet way for women to shave their face. It's also gonna exfoliate, so it's gonna remove that peach fuzz. It's gonna make your beauty products penetrate the skin better. It's also gonna make your makeup go on smoother. And the next product is Vinodaran Beauty Vitamin C Brightening Concentrate. Again, another full-size product. What I love about this one is not only are you getting your vitamin C, but if you can see this, do you see how it's almost like a blurring filter. It's like having a real life Instagram filter on your face. See that? No pores. So a really good vitamin C serum. And this one, you know how much I love hair care. This is Philip B. Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. And if we had smell-o-vision, if only you could smell how amazing this is. Talk about waking up your scalp. This is so pepperminty and so yummy smelling. The next product is Anti-Age. This is a micro derma roller. So what you're gonna get in here, 2 skin serums, because you don't wanna use a derma roller without a serum. Okay, I probably should have opened this differently. And if you can see that, you see these little needle, tiny little, like microscopic little needles on there? That is going to help your beauty products penetrate your skin better. This is a really nice one too. I've seen some real janky ones out there that probably should never be in the hands of civilians, because it's a scary thing when you start rolling needles onto your face. And this is Beyond Beauty Tinted Daily Sunscreen. Again, another full-size product. You can see it's got a nice little tint to it right there. I believe this is an SPF 40. I'll have to look. And then finally, I'm really excited about this one. This is the brow kit. So in this one, you're gonna get a brow pencil from Esam, a beautiful beautiful brow brush. Let's see if I can get this out, please. Maybe, yeah. Okay, so this gorgeous brow brush. And a slant tip tweezer. Nice little precision tweezer right here. And this part I'm really excited about. So most of you, when you're doing your brows, you're using cuticle scissors. Hopefully, you're not using a giant scissor to trim your brows. This goes one step further. This is like a tweezer and a scissor ran into each other really fast, like a little twizzer. Okay. So that is the Beauty Box by Dr. Ava. So $500 worth of beauty products for a fraction of the cost. I'm gonna leave all the info in the comments, in the caption below. And then my other surprise for you guys, if you've seen my feed, you've most likely seen my beauty closet, and you know that I get gifted a lot of beauty products, and my closet is overflowing. My cup runneth over. And so what I want to do is start giving these products away to you guys, because you are the reason I do this. So if there's something that you want to see, if there's something I'm not doing that you wish that I were, some kind of content that you feel is lacking, I want you to put that in the comments below. And then I'm going to go through all the comments, and I'm going to pick a winner. And that winner will start receiving beauty products. I don't know if I'm going to do this. I can't do it weekly. That's a lot. But I will at least do it monthly. And so start getting your comments ready. Start telling me what you want to see from me, and I will deliver. And you will win beauty products. So it's a win-win. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.